fight analysis, we're going to be looking at a gun placed underneath your chin. Let's look at what he teaches right here. So the first thing, you want to bring your hands up, which is good. Now he's actually explaining on clearing your body and trapping that weapon. Now, bring up this right over here, scares me. Really, this is not a solid trap. Going really that low is very dangerous because if he pulls away, which his instinct is going to be to pull away the gun, to flinch, if you're going to trap the gun, you want to go up higher and have a better control. But we're going to test it out a little bit later. And from there, the idea is you pin it, twist the gun out of the line of fire. From there, palm strike straight into the eyes or eye gouge, which even that, guys, is not that easy because your attacker is going to react the instant you grab the gun. And from there, now you could actually see his hand is not even moving. Realistically, as soon as you're going to go for the gun or you're going to go for his eyes, there's going to be a fight right there. So it's not as easy to pull that weapon out of his hand as you're disarming him. And then the idea is, now right over here, this guy's definitely going to be fighting and his instinct's probably going to be to reach for the gun. So there will be a fight for that gun. And from there you clear and then you point the gun. So what we're going to do is we're going to pressure train it. We're going to test it out and we're going to see what works better. Grabbing the wrist, coming high, Costa's going to resist. He's going to fight back. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, so we're going to be breaking down right now the video we just saw. So the first thing is his hands were down. The idea is you come up, one shot from here, trap, clear, and fingers into the eyes. Now, Costa, once I trap, so let's do it in a scenario. I'm going to try it. Go. I'm going to try to like trap the gun. Go.
Give me your money, man.
Go ahead, it's in my pocket.
Take it.
See, the problem with this is simple. And I saw it right away. I'm going to control the wrist. What you want to do is control the gun. The most important thing is getting out of the line of fire, but controlling it this way. So look at the difference. Go.
Give me your money, man.
Go ahead,
Give me your money. Take out your money now.
Go ahead. It's in my pocket, man. It's all yours.
Don't talk, just take out your money.
Shit, I don't have any. I have my chest. Okay, now I'm not even going hard, right? Now try to move, Costa. If he tries to move from there, yeah. Okay, you okay? Yeah. So the first thing is I'm gonna bring up my hands. I'm gonna start talking to him. What do I wanna do? Lower his guard, raise his ego, pattern interrupt, figure out what does he want. Before I go physical, guys, figure out what does he want. He wants your money? Go ahead. How do you wanna do this, man? You want me to give it to you? You wanna take it? How do you wanna do it, right? So you wanna start using verbal, because if you could de-escalate, avoid. Again, like I say in all my videos, risk over reward. Is my life worth going to get into a gunfight or a knife fight in close quarter, right? Now, if I decide to make my move from here, what do I have to do? I definitely have to clear my body and I need to trap the weapon. Now, this principle, I teach it pretty much in any type of weapon defense in close quarter. But my biggest concern is to trap the weapon solid, clear my body, and then go into my strikes. So I'm not crazy about going one hand and going to strikes because here it's easy. If I don't have a solid trap, it's easy for him to pull it away. Now look at the difference. If I did this, right? Try to pull away. Oof. You okay?
Yep.
Okay. So my hands are up. I'm gonna clear my body. And again, the idea is wherever my hand is the line of fire. So I'm gonna bring it in this way, and from there I'm gonna come in with a headbutt, I'm gonna elbow, and I'm gonna disengage. The reality, he's gonna be fighting, he's gonna be doing something. He's not just gonna stand there and let me disarm him, right? The concept and the idea is good to bring up your hands and then clear your body, and then from there, the idea is to always point it as much as possible towards your attacker, right? If I'm here, I'm gonna bring it this way. Again, I'm gonna lower my center of gravity as well. I'm gonna use my whole body and I'm gonna strike because what would be your instinct, Costa?
Well, personally, I would do this, try to get like I'll go in front.
So then he's gonna try to go for the weapon. Now I have the weapon, I'm here. So from there, I would have no choice but to strike and to, again, make sure I take that weapon out of his hands. So the problem with a lot of the gun defense that I've seen, they teach stuff like this, like that, and the attacker never reacts. You need to train that the moment I'm here and he's doing this, I'm like, what's up, man? What do you want?
Give me your money, man.
It's in my pocket, man.
Take out your money.
Shit.
Take out your money.
Shit.
Take out your money. Blah, 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 blah.
I only have my credit card.
Take out your money. 5, 4.
Right? From there, boom, I strike. And I use my whole body, again, trapping. Look, I'm trapping the wrist. I'm trapping the weapon. I have a solid grip here. And again, if my hands are here, what do I have? Boom, I'm going to headbutt. I'm going to use my body and come into him and pull away that weapon as quickly as possible. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, any questions, leave them in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.